I'm Ian. This is your bird. Look at Gabriel's beak. Is he a roller shirt? Look at Gabriel's red. Are they your roller shorts? Is this a bird or stork? No, it is not a stork. What color is it? What color is Gabriel's beak? Look at the bird. It is in the sky. The sky is blue. Can you see the cloud? They are white. Can you see the crack? It is 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The sun is shining. It is very hot. The bird is very hot and very tired. It is looking for some water. The bird is looking down. What can he see? He can see tree and house. Is that the river? There is water in a river. No, it is not a river. It is a road. There is no water. The bird is very tired and very hot. The bird is looking out. What can he see? He can see a sea. Look at the ship. Look at the sea. There is water in the sea. But the bird cannot drink it. There is salt in the water. The bird is very tired and very hot. What can the bird see now? It can see the house. There is a table near the house. The bird is going down. Now we can see the house. There is a window and door. Near the window is a table. There is grass on the table. There is a water at the bottom of the grass. There is a bowl. It is dog's bowl. There is no water in the bowl. Bye bye. Thank you.